soap. I wasn't gonna do this, but I decided why not vlog a little bit what's going on. Just look what's around me. Crazy storm, right? It's pretty deep too. Not here, but let me just start little by little. It's a blizzard. So it's been years since we gotten snow to this level. I don't know, I would say like at least 5 years. And I tell you, it's that bad that New Jersey Transit has shut down the whole buses, the whole train system, so they're not working. And the PATH trains to New York City, they're not working. That's how bad it is. Yeah, but look at this. Look at the cars, everything right here. Look at the snow pile up over here. I'll show you. This is not even that deep, but yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, since I can't go to the city, I'm just gonna walk around my neighborhood and see what's going on. So I'll take you guys with me. So this is how bad it is. I gotta walk in the damn street. And look how the cars are dig right inside the snow. It's windy. It's been snowing since yesterday, and it's supposed to stop, I don't know, either tomorrow or Wednesday at 2 o'clock. So at least 36 hours of snow. Like I say, it's been a long time. It reminds me when I came here in 2010 and we got like 2 feet of snow or even more. Yeah, this is really madness right here. You can see the sidewalks, how they look like. Whoa, I almost fell down. And look at the cars over there, you know. It's crazy. They make like this little pathway. Like I say, it's rough in the sidewalk, so it's probably easier to go in the road. I gotta say, I look like a polar bear. Good thing I got a GoPro here. It is beautiful to look at the snow, but at the same time, I don't know, it's not a good feeling. It's a little messy to walk around, but yeah. Let me see if I can make it to the main street, Ferry Street. And look at this road. Pretty intense. Good thing I got my boots on. They can walk, you know. Pretty deep. And then a lot of businesses are shut down. Some of them they open up a little bit early. And seeing the situation, they close early. You see this moving, how windy it is. Look at all the businesses. Usually they will be open, but they close. Well, here across the street, you can see how it's shut down too. Only a few people, some people they shovel out there. Well, here's the pharmacy, it's open. Of course, pharmacy is essential. Wow, the conditions are really bad. I got boots and I can't even walk pretty good. Whoa, I almost fell down. Yo, here just a little bit. You just cross. You got a truck here, plow. This is the pharmacy here, it's open. It's really bad out there. You can't even, literally you can walk. It's crazy, only like a few people walking outside. The liquor store is open. It's a good day for you to spend the weather. And there's like a restaurant that's open too. You see like a bakery and stuff, they sell food. So here you see like a few shops, they're open. We're so close, but yeah, like this one, it's like a dollar store. I guess like the central business, you know. It's like surreal. It's like a movie scene, you know. It's been it's been a long time since I see the snow like this. But Mother Nature, you know, you can't mess with Mother Nature. I'm walking. This is part of Ferry Street, like a main street here in the Ironbound Center in Newark, New Jersey, with a lot of shops. You see a pharmacy is open. Oh, I guess it's closed. Wow. That's how, wow. But there's another pharmacy down that way, south. You'll see a place that's open too. Just cross here in the street. Kind of feels like you're in the Soviet, like in Russia or Ukraine, with all the snow. Yep, it's intense. I'm just gonna walk around the corner. Here's like a nice restaurant. Looks like a buffet. They got bakery, they got food, it's open. And then here, across from here, Sierra. So maybe when I go back home, I'll probably buy some breakfast or some snacks. So that way tomorrow, because tomorrow's still gonna be snowing the whole day. That way I don't gotta go out. I'll just stay in the house. Yeah. I take my hat off for all those essential workers. You see this business is open. All those essential workers out there working in this crazy nasty weather. Look at it. Okay, sorry the footage is not clear, but you already know. This is a nasty weather out here. It got a little bit dark, but it's because I sit down in a restaurant to eat. Out of a lot of places that are closed, I found like a good spot, the Ferry Street Barbecue. But they sell like really good food over there. I had like a plate with rice, ribs, french fries, and a big soda for $11. But yeah, lucky that I found that place open. There's not too many places open over here, but as you can see, it got dark. It's still snowing out there. Gotta say, it's like a mixture of feelings. You know, it looks beautiful, but at the same time, it's a big mess. And over there you see, I mean, because of the snow, but downtown Newark is right ahead of me. Yeah, the train station is right there, but I mean, it's staying in the middle of the street. Yeah, you can see the skyscrapers over there. So yeah. So I'll film a little bit of what's going on. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I think it's going to be the same scenery. Not sure what's going to happen tomorrow, but I think I'll film enough. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to go to the supermarket to grab a few snacks and maybe some breakfast for tomorrow morning when I wake up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the short video. If you're around there, you know, stay safe out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Be safe out there, everybody. God bless y'all, and peace.